In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for audio files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a scannable code that instantly opens your audio, perfect for handouts, posters, or classroom activities. First, open Google Drive and head to your Drive home. Locate the audio file you want to share. This could be an MP3, a WAV, or another supported format. Click the file to select it, then choose Share. This opens the sharing panel where we'll adjust access so the QR code works for anyone who scans it. In the sharing window, you'll likely see that access is set to restricted. Click that access drop-down and change it to anyone with the link. This is important. If it stays restricted, the QR code will lead to a page your viewers can't open. You can leave the role as viewer so people can listen without editing. When you're ready, click Copy Link to save the Google Drive link to your clipboard, then click Done to close the sharing window. Quick tip, don't move this file to a different folder later or change its sharing back to restricted, or your QR code will stop working. Now open a new tab and go to qrcodegenerator.com. This tool lets you create a free static QR code that points to your Drive link. In the URL field, paste the audio link you just copied from Google Drive. You should immediately see a QR code preview. The code sends people to the Drive preview page for your audio, which works great on phones and tablets as long as there's internet access. Before downloading, you can customize the frame or caption around the QR code if you want it to say something like Scan Me or Listen Now. Choose a style that matches your use case while keeping the code itself clear and high contrast for reliable scanning. When you're satisfied, click Download. If you're printing, choose a high quality option so the code stays sharp. PNG works well for slides and general use, while PDF or SVG is ideal for large prints like posters or handouts. After downloading, test the QR code with your phone's camera to confirm it opens and plays your audio. If it doesn't, double check that the Drive file is set to anyone with the link. That's it. You selected your audio in Google Drive, set its access to anyone, copied the link, generated a QR code, customized the frame, and downloaded a print-ready file. Use it wherever you need quick, easy access to your audio. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.